Hi everyone, it's Sandy and thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel. For those of you that do watch my videos or have subscribed to my channel, you probably noticed my background is a little bit different this time round. I did have that wood grain pattern look to my background for my videos, but I've changed it now to this marble look pattern. So I'm not sure what you think of it. I think it looks fine and it looks different. The only reason why I had to change it was because the chipboard or the laminate that was stuck on the chipboard on here was all damaged and had started to tear from all of the crafting that I did on this chipboard wood. So I had to change the laminate and re-sheet it. And for those of you that wanted to know where I purchased this laminate, it's from Kmart here in Australia. They came in a roll, and this was the wood grain one that pattern that I did use, but it wasn't enough to cover this chipboard board that I had. So I had to go and purchase this pattern here because they ran out of the wood grain pattern look, so I had to go for this marble roll, and I think you get 3 meters and it's about $2 in Kmart. So yeah, so I just got my husband to re-sheet it for me. So I just thought I'd let you know about my new background look. And so for this video I'm going to share with you this really cute tiny little mini flip book using one piece of 6x6 paper. I did a previous video a while back with a similar style of flip book, which is exactly the same, just a different size, and I'll just show you the one that I did in my other video, and it's this one here, and it uses one piece of 12x12 paper, and you can make this whole flip book with pockets. You could also make it into a mini album if you like, and you can add your photos in here. These are the 2 pockets that you get, and then there's also a side pocket in here. Just grab this tag that's in here. So there is also a side tuck pocket in here which is quite deep, and then when you turn your page over you get another 2 more pockets here where you can add more goodies, or you can add some photos. So this is the 12x12 size that I made, which is a really good size, and I thought I'd try and see if I could make one out of a 6x6, and this is the size that it comes out, and I just think it looks so adorable. And if you look at the size difference, this is a 12x12 and this is a 6x6 paper, so there is a difference in the sizes. So if you do like cute little tiny little mini flip books, little mini albums, this is a really cute little project for you to make, and really easy, and I'll show you how to make this one as well. And then I'll also put the link down below for the measurements and the project to this flip book as well for you if you wanted to head over and have a look at that video. But I'm going to show you the inside of this cute little flip book, and then I'll also show you the measurements and how to make this one. I just think it turned out really cute. I did put a few goodies in here, so there is a bit of bulk, but still flat enough to send as a little Happy Mail gift to somebody, or if you want to send a little mini album to someone with some photos. This is a great little cute little flip book as well. So I just decorated the front here with the fringe layered embellishment that I'd shown you in my last video, and how to layer your shapes with some fringing. So this is one of the projects that I made, and then I just used one of the paper ruffled background to that and some enamel dots, and I tied the flip book with some of this like a knitting wool just to hold the book together, and you just pull it out. I mean, you can use a belly band to keep it closed, and just put a belly band around it or whatever you like, but I just use this string, and I had punched out 2 little circles with my circle punch. I folded the circle in half and then punched a hole to use as the loop for the string. So that's the other circle one. And then this is just a little pom-pom, also just to give it a bit of a fun decoration. So the inside is exactly the same as this one, just again, just a smaller version. And this is the pocket. So you can see here the pocket size is different, deeper. And then I've just got in here a cute little blank note card. And over here is a little envelope that I stuck to the front of the pocket, just so you can add some more goodies if you like to do that. And this is the other pocket with another fringe paper laid heart shape. I really had a lot of fun making these. I'll put the link to the video of this one as well for you. And I've just got a tag in there. And so that's the other pocket on this side. And then on the side here is the side pocket where you can also add some tags. I've got here an embellishment that I packaged with a tab die shape to use as a bag topper, and that just fits nicely in there. So you still can add a good size tag or some little packaging. And then on the next page are the next two double pockets. I've just got in here some ticket shape ephemera. I just embellished that simply with a little flower that I fussy cut. And on this side I've got some washi sample. And that just goes in there, and that's the little circle punch shape that I fold in half for the string. So this is just another really cute little flip book if you wanted to make something small enough to add into your packaging, or if you like making little small projects. So I'm going to show you the measurements how to make this one. So all you do is, all you need is one piece of 6x6 paper. And we're just going to line it onto your scoreboard. If you don't have a scoreboard, you can just simply fold the measurements according to the size that I'm going to show you as well. So you want to score it at the 5/8 of an inch, which is the little mark just past the 1/2 inch, and then you just want to score that down. And then the same on this side, you want to score it at the 3/8 of an inch, which is just before the 5.5 inch mark. So it's 5 3/8. And I'll put the measurements down below for you. And then you also want to score it at 3 inches. And then we're going to turn that around and we're going to score that at 3 inches. And that is all the scoring there is to that. And what we're going to do next is we're just going to fold these two sides up, and fold this one up as well. Just going to press that down. So if you don't have a scoreboard, just fold it both ends to make them even. This is the depth of your pocket, so you just want to fold it to the depth of your pocket that you'd like it to be. So now that you've got that done, we're going to just make a cut here in the middle, just up to the center there. So we'll just go ahead and cut that up. And I'm just going to turn it around this way. And then what we're going to do now, we're just going to fold this back and then line it up. Just fold it down. And then you're going to bring this piece over to the front, and that will give you the front part of the book. And then you're just going to bring this one back. Just follow your score lines. I'm just going to press it down. So then you'll have your front, and then you'll have this where it folds up like that. So what we're going to do here, we're going to bring this up, we're going to apply glue just to the side here and to the bottom, and that will give you your little side tuck pocket. So you can use your double-sided tape. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue to the side, or the edge, sorry. And then to the bottom. And then we're just going to bring this back down. And that will give you that little pocket there. And that's really all there is to this little cute little flip book. And then it's ready for you to assemble, to decorate, add your little goodies. Oh, before we do the rest, I forgot to show you, you need to also add glue down to the bottom here. So we're just going to add glue just to the side here and here. I knew there was one more step I forgot to do. And you don't have to worry about putting the glue in the middle here, but you can if you want to. I didn't put any glue there, but you can put a little bit of glue. And then you just go and turn to the back and just do the same and add glue to the bottom, to the sides here. And that completes your little flip book using your 6x6 paper. And if you've got 12x12 paper, you could make 4 of these little flip books. So it'd be perfect if you are in a group swap of 4 people. You can give one each of these to your swap group, and then just seal that off, and that gives you that pocket. Sorry, it goes back that way. I didn't line up, but anyway, so this is the little flip book, and then you've got your little side pocket here. Just take this out, and there's your little side pocket in there, and then you've got your other little double pocket on the back there. So that is just how to make this fun, cute little 6x6 little mini flip book or mini album. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.